come on so I'm say hi Badwam on Adom TV multi TV so Mpensenpensemu Breno and Edrusu no ma mentia Dr. Lawson or Lawson Herbal good morning Sausuna Mechia Afwa Infunyina and then Bono Infunyina and Bono East inclusive is Mia Mehini Domahini Ajima Bedu Nana Anope Machio Mejiri se Hoye and afi Kenya is number 1 and 2 Kukum and the capital Goso and then Imim Bakofas Maba and Jeduni Tech and Adroba Yachiamina Kama Adroba for the Frida Prempe Makacho said there should be a tomato factory there. My name is started there because Adroba tomato no box ni na Abro so 250 and 300 cedis. And in Accra is 1,200 and 1,300 and those things. Indeed, Honorable Frida Prempe, Owoninko Adroba Tomato Factory. So you started there. What started there? Kudos to you. Yawa back to studio. Ebedi Nkomo. Honorable Hussein Akwaba.
Yeah, Ama.
When say, oh, come, Sienza Uncle to Swabana, Nipa Bebe, Inum.
Enum ya 5. Say 7 and counting.
7 and still counting.
Yeah, still counting.
Wow.
And we'll see the
wow. 7
and counting, yeah.
Until Ube Jema Momana.
Mijamo Enyi because and penny for say you must sing a new Ehonia Ketia. And you money I could see, baby.
Hey, what is so special about that constituency at past 7? A constituency bank.
You can't queen off.
Or can't queen off.
You can't queen off, yes. Now, Sabi, also no sort of man, get me a betray binti. Sana Kobano.
You campaign show.
Oh, you cremoma. A cremopa, Yamiado.
So, what's your message?
Well, my message is that this obviously I got the opportunity to lead the constituency. Mejuma bebia me mejuma so see. It's very obvious for be to see. Being the soft nyama in education, the hard nyama in education, the soft things we did in health, the hard things we did in health, how I related to the people, how I was available to the people. Ni nyina no eno na ade a me campaign once and anu omo ma me akwanya no. Senya me ye edwuma no ba bi ekosi ye no. Omo me ye nto aso.
I see, and it's catching up.
I tell you.
You have really last minute plan B of fridge, LPG, near each channel.
Sanya money, unfortunately, is a bad part of your politics. Minyanka, and Tessa, Minyanka, be her the panel, the soup, the buy, the wire da, the obeti me near the atonos of Abba. Senya money, the me manning hand time because I am here. Yehubi senya 2016 to 2020 no ye adwuma yehu senya constituency na daho efi 2021 ebesi namri enti ano no ya de a constituency no omonhwe so ne afanto aba say obi ye we shouldn't take it for granted.
So say, are you worried about say nyoma teacher ni sika teacher na?
Oh, and worried.
It's a norm.
Worried in that I am to the extent to say your politics na ye over monetized. That I am worried about. Over monetized. NJBA Professor Michael Quay mentioned this at the forum of VSBLE memorial lectures. And I think as political actors, as media, as stakeholders in the development of democratic governance here, in Yinaya Peninsula, ABB also Emra who, but Emra ni ndiso, internako banasa. And yes, I don't pen so bia. Enkoye dia metimi ayama constituency na enkoye dia metimi aya ama oman no be be kwa koye dia metimi etua because say meba obviously no amanfo bi adwen et say meba na me mo scan out abama me ende mfie nan na da yenim no say me ne sebe me dwa na out abama me etimi ne wonye eyi bia but the yen to aba ema omo a omo ba omo betimi bua yen ama yasetena mu etimi apagya eno na hia eno na ye ka bi ma menka bi enye saa ne koso senia ye koso ye a mfaso ewo democracy mu a ye nyina ye pese ye nya no ye nkonya no senia wo se ye nya no.
Okay, so me da say amemfi Central, right? Eric Afo, or
my roofing constituency. I don't know. I'm a few West. I'm a few West.
Mini Papa, you know,
Honorable Kwachaka, I'm a Central. I don't know.
I'm a West. Eric Afo.
Asenkregwa.
On the ticket.
Asenkregwa Samra boy.
Yes. Mukwane, yeah.
Yes, once I make a Samra boy, what kind of
yeah, Mukwane.
It's a serious state. It is in a serious state. Especially who free Samra boy, Eco Pristia. Yes, that's the problem. Company LB's in a beer started packing in Yamako. They are not buying the cocoa again over there. Yes, Composika go rem. No cocoa no coca. Sebio, the up country.
Now what's your era edu?
A lot of times.
No, he
has come there a lot of times. You see, and you know, last time you made a lot of calls.
Time on this one because I think there's a call mushroom.
Exactly.
Era
remember say yes, Madam Wakwata honorable Eba Parliament several times just to come and brief because one-on-one, many no interaction said there. Plenty I can't even count them. But the highest I can do is to bring him to Parliament to come and explain why Cocoa Nugo in our pro.
The farmers are suffering.
Yes. And keeps on telling me, Afo, maybe the contractors maybe back. Kofi Job, whatever Kofi Job was on the road, no road.
So Kofi was on the road.
Yes, and from Samra boy. Yes, over 7 years now.
What's the reason?
The reason is investigation. Audit.
The investigation.
I don't know.
After 7 years.
Yes. It was the last time I can report myself.
Report, about, but the Uzarabika Obi has a copy. I have not bothered. I have read bits. Eastern region,
yes. But Uba Western region.
Yeah.
Uba Kukurus in the Western region. Report them up on team. And
it's also dangerous that what copy, no copy.
Yes.
And it's sad.
Oh.
But have you requested for a copy?
Yes. And you see, Oba Ubisana. My reschedule contracts.
That's Ira Makwata and Ira Edu.
Amakwata is in charge. You see, let me brief you. Initially, Nekoko roads.
Yeah.
So after almost suspending road, I tried to investigate so far about what is happening. I was told that Yisa Koko Road
ministry.
Roads and highways. And according to him, he was going to reschedule the contract. Now the other people, either it will go back to the old contractor or it will still, go to other places. But, as you speak now, do you know say a security threat, even from Mumuni, one community, from Mumuni to Pristia, can't come as I speak. You see, as I now, I don't know the next course of action I have to do. I can't go and beat them. I can't go and slap them.
But
they will tell you.
Nananom
I a demonstration. A lot. Yes. Nananom all over Samabwe enclave. I a demonstration. I don't know why MPP is not constructing that road. The whole Ghana Nyakoko free pa and Samabwe.
That's why Bibu says the cocoa in the end there.
You see, and I don't know. So cocoa industry no more good. Cocoa industry, they are not interested in the cocoa industry again. You know, cocoa industry no
good.
Yes, cocoa industry no hobby. Because you cannot cry na syndication loan eba no. Sikana say the license buying companies. No mo to cocoa no from up country. The money is not forthgoing. Invest kanema omo. The money sits in Accra. Who could talk cocoa ni ba? She can't go back to a problem. And how many companies in Ghana, LBCs, even Yesika, Akotna up country, Akotoko, their bread, the company, Ghana Cocoa Bodo, a cocoa market.
My war, Samra boy, any encouragement was here. We'll talk about cocoa and then equino because sometimes Anna, a man yourself for no, listen, we rely only on our words. Or Samra boy, let's share a thought on this conversation. Cocoa Kweni, anytime Cocoa baby, I'm interested in that. It's key. I don't know why the opposition keeps saying say a good. I don't know. Ba ekoko kuani na o Samurai boy a. Pacho wadarma me fa nipa num from on 0302 211 701 ekusi 4 0302 211 701 ekusi 4. I would love it so Samurai boy area honma because that's specifically what I want to relate to. Tiembra, back to your conversation. What have you on your own? Why I would draw Ira Edu and then pay you for attention. Say, this is the challenge, and you know, so you need to solve it.
You see, me per se me move from Edu to the ministry because minister have enough floor of parliament. Say you move contract.
You can number 2. Akwan and a kuku ejuma egu.
Good.
Kuku ejuma no si egu.
Yeah.
Akwan no so amwakwata.
Yeah.
So I'm saying that kuku ni the money in because egu pe then we have a challenge.
Exactly.
What have you done? I.e. only edu boy in edu in komobe na modi dia na odi akoto no enim dwanto abe na odi akose wa hwe wachi o Samurai boy enyoma etosi o ebia ba community bi nti ye san komo na person because if we sit and talk and we don't make the effort it becomes a political conversation. But what make it effort? You are being frustrated or you are not being heard. That we can continue talking about it. So what I say. So the effort no one can on this matter.
You see, Ura Edu. Oshwe ye many better say Oshwe the statute of legislation in this country, especially parliament. Ura Edu into major parliament. Answer question.
You are a great minister.
Yes. You understand my point. I was there.
So apart
from
Brian,
that's it. You see, some brand Nancy no buy, on the so buy and change. Me first move brain farm on. But still no crown. I think say me name macra than name as I speak today. Well, apart from many Ura Edu, a private conversation. I would say private conversation because into my public. Okay? They were public in the ministry, food and agriculture. Or parliament. Last time, me the question, about that parliament, the immediate past. Is it a free or what?
Akuto free.
Yes, president.
Okay, Mumuni.
Or say.
Okay. Isaac, Machie.
Yeah, mo.
Bibia Boko.
Hello.
Pacho Isaac, Bibia Boko.
Nyame Adom.
Who kase free?
Me kase free Mumuni. I was Samabo area.
Mumuni ho.
Mumuni na me body.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so boy nkomo
ne kokko adwuma na mo kan de. Kokko adwuma ne be 5 years ni kokko adwuma ba na e ba form.
5 years.
Enkoyi ya kwan nye.
The road.
Oh, ama akrachi for no ensa sen ko mo kar kokko no be 64 kilos we bitumi kar na 7 tempo.
You hear now?
Oh, ama ya ho kire bebre na cheze ya ho kire bebre wo ama adwuma no boys wo nyina adwan ko galamsi. Adwuma na bayan kokorafo nko na ye de stand.
Wow.
See a man phone bebre wo hon ma ebi kura person ton na phone oko. Nso onye obi amfa ma no.
Really?
Oh, nti adwuma ne samo amohwe nka bi ma na.
Isaac from Mumuni ya da CP. Benjamin Apomti say. Hello Ben.
Hello.
Apomti say.
Nyame Adom.
O kase free he.
Me kase free Bishaso number 1.
O kase free
Bishaso number 1.
Kushiaso.
Bisaso. It's a river.
Hey.
Nice river.
Nice river, right?
More good names of woman no good transbo.
Woman good.
Woman no good.
Okay, Patrick you.
Azam cocoa industry na my mekasa ha de egune no kre. Cocoa industry na my mekasa ha no egune no kre.
Oh, okay. Timothy Machie.
Hello.
Hello Timothy Machie Apom ti say.
Yeah, Apom.
Patro Nyame Adom etie o.
Yo, me katafe Aboy Nkwanta.
Eno so ho. Aboy Nkwanta.
Yes.
Okay. Yetie o.
Na menchia me MP wa ya de pa. No kure wo me say me amekasa no, ma di 35 years. Koko adona ma do abetem sa abere. Sisi ahu majai, mafo nyina majai wo wuro. Aye bre na ye bregu. O ti ate. O mun chakiye, bibia ye basa koko de o ye koko kuani a ehiam bubue na doku. Sisi majai mi nam garante. because mabunu mo se mabunu nye koko dwuma me se bi o manya konya nko school me ye me dikaka me nye me dia wura koko dwuma kwe dwuma sisi amu ba ya mabe gu kwe dwuma ye nye duro ye nye fed koko kaka kwan so mu be ye kwan koko se me aba se koko kaka na ewo system no o mu de koko dibo enam se koko dibo sika na ye high king Ghana no o mu nye koko kaka na o mu boabo no pe no mu de koko dibo
okay
Ndi ye bre o man ye bre ya ye won kuko gre ye bre
okay me da say ye ne Solomon enwie wa Sankragwa ne bra back to studio now. I appreciate in Komamodi Abayina. We'll do a follow up on this matter because it keeps coming up. Solomon Asankragwa, good morning. I want to say.
I'm Adom Hoyapa.
What are my two?
Pacha Adam Hoyapa. Mecha Honorable Ericafo. Now, Kuku Assembly a candidate, a cassia car, a dear betching. Say, a queenie. What to me, about more drafted to Kuku best one bag. Before Kuku Benya one bag and a cup of bomb of crambuno, not have back crackle. Or mine, would I be do Kuku shed? Peace in a bit to me, Ed wash a bear 1 month, but no mouse cat.
1 month.
You know, I'm a boy industry, cocoa industry, I'm saying, more cocoa, more power, more crime, pay, and you're so glad I'm
buying companies.
Because all the cocoa transportation boarding, acquiring it, what do you go to shed bono, piece of phone bono, to take you more than 2 months before they pay you. And you man out and anything.
Okay, me da say intimi Fabian say mabumi ano pay.
You see, that is the situation in Amemfi.
So that's the reality.
The reality. You see, ano, ama rural economy no in Amemfi West na akofo. One.
But so let's appeal to Boahin Edu. Because from where I sit, my thinking was that a lot of innovations and
you know something. And you know something. Boahin Edu. He's from Amemfi East. What's the problem? You see, no, my bro. Simply because at a gathering on my hene Amemfi assassin, what would jacket see? Boahin Edu was sitting right with me. They appreciated it. Because nana, ukoko di nyina pro. Kokuru asasu nyina pro. You see, enti deda make say, me bisa this question in parliament, floor of the house. Ora efiye catch me say, a political question. And me bisa no. Koko bi ampre.
The former agreement.
Yes, it was Hansard. So to me no, me who say abawe onye na dwen say Badwam Mpensenpensemu West.
That is too harsh.
Yes, me say na me can no.
Now
how can say a kwanya dema contractor oye adwuma so Kofi Job wasati eguko tala watre woman no good kakra na fadwuma na fato ho me investigation 7 years
so I try
woman no good.
And so you crew.
But Oboya mama ibu of you. Woman good.
Oh, woman no good no. A community. So that one, you see, you know what Jakwana to her 7 good years. Na MP. You see, they hear me yan say 2016. Sa kwan wa Amemfi West nyina di nyina ma contract. Even some boy town rules. Ufra boy kwantana nipa ne free on up to Samra boy. Up to a Sankragwa. Kofi Job na oye. Enu free mumuni e ko Christiana meka ho asem. Ura sabia na no oye sa kwan ni na. Amguso mo ye o. So the rural economy in Amemfi West no. E kwan no say a lot of.
Okay, so that's
so the American say even coming Friday we have business statement. I'm asking the minister again. E kwan offer so obi new contractors no assign her back.
All right.
Thank you.
That's we dey say Amemfi for na dey atomule mu. a farmer.
On say one of our topic in the Bible. And our friend Nipen song. I'm confirming to this. Me no, I don't know whether say MPP for any Menfi West. I don't know.
So
why they punish Menfi West?
It's not punishment.
It's a punishment, bro.
Honorable guys.
I didn't be honorable because only and
you know something.
So okay, say
you get your bite.
Oh, I know you
know something. You know something. MPP for no attend game no. Na Erika for hwe me anya kwan no. Erika for wo hwe me anya kwan no.
Ti ka kire onko for say wontimi nya kwan.
Exactly. And all the frantic efforts Erika for is doing. And my major tool is to bring the minister
to parliament
to explain vividly.
And they should get it down.
You see, Erika for me anya kwan no. Erika for me anya kwan.
I know you see a
I don't know.
Yeah.
You see, we said we have
about what is happening. Exactly. And that's what the Mr. Menfi West for. And the member of parliament, apart from so Shembrano, or pray, especially my pa, and the calling persons. Pray or pray no so. On to me pray for some
blue vanko bobi
and kobobi as a chinchina for improve to brother. Babribia there's so pray. You know, so a file a cosa, who he and temper say. So after Friday, man, not me with the air cost. I say when you should bring me kakra. Obviously, means I can't get to the young coin.
What's it? Cocoa Ghana.
Yeah, Cocoa Ghana.
Cocoa na sustain the economy, sir, and son, Ebenya or your Nissan Mania. Yeah. A cocoa na sustain the affect to cocoa bian, affect and share impact our economy. No, saying, yeah, they are betting me actually. In fact, I someone mean you mean to me as Edimu. And I was seeing a cosenema, but a day no confess I by say cocoa roots particular years pana Ministry of at the time cocoa was under Ministry of Finance and the NDC. Now roots or more a year cry the Ministry of into a policy a yibia can audit report the impact of the audit report. I was expecting say by now we should have gone beyond it. But even beyond that, the impact of Galamsey and also can say
moving from
cocoa Galamsey is scary. Me them meeting Yamasa is scary because I may previous say we share a maybe to say Brazil, China, send ya more take cocoa serious. Say ye near cocoa na prestige Ghana cocoa a premium quality and afibia ye nyakra no $1 billion, $2 billion in foreign exchange kra it may buy a sustaining economy no idea ye me ni enko ho na ne de menwa kan dey associate with that pass ye bia e betimi aye ni manimu he ya ye na ye so na
how about for what transpired in parliament?
In fact, a craving council that will come to the main issue never discussed.
I can be about so okay.
Why are they? You see, Hussein, thank you. No, we need to go green area, but as a movie actor, oh, say Ghana, ya infe kuku simi vis-a-vis Galamsey issue. Kuku ejumano to reach in the next 5 years. Kuku ejumano, ibegu to. Do you know something? Because of one, your price nenye, okay? Who are neighboring La Côte d'Ivoire? Dabi. Amaso. Enti, omo some price nenye. 2, cocoa, say, enema di cocoa so. Fertilizer, any mass pesticides, na de no chemicals no. Omo nyesi kan fanto. Initial na NDC aban e de mom free. In term calculating nyina then no be abampa chokoko phone pese meto. Dear Galamsey. Mama saying 1 acre I think they are selling about 40,000 Ghana cedis. 1 acre 40,000. Yiniba no be 10 acres a. O multiply saying zika bebre. Obeton koko ni nyina begu. Na se bi woko sanra bo ni mantem kura na da areas a koko ni kura no ye nya sika kura ntua koko ni ka no
the budget for 4,000 economy
me no ka say 2020-2021 main crop season inya koko more than 1 million metric tons. Me no ka say cocoa yen be close to cocoa. We are in July. It be close to main crop. Yenya 700,000. Okay? So what does it mean?
You try before.
Yes. So I'm adding to me I say cocoa adwuma no. E say aban etenase. No fi hwem. No ye a lot of detailed investigation. No fi kwan a obetumi a motivate cocoa farmers. Hwe there be eka say cocoa the heart of the economy in this country. Which way sibikura doka na so nu say nipa no onye cocoa kwe kura ka say cocoa ba me aka wa reshim and am what
relax man.
Yes,
it do how to see jaws.
Idea government expenditure, it increases the money flow, the liquidity in the country. It is a core format to me.
Okay,
thank you.
So you are sure Jechi Kwesi in
mame and now as it is the major topic be discussing. My fa kwenye so and na Ghana for nyina especially as in not for say motuma yesa adwuma kesi e dia makana election na yakwe na sen not a sampling election sampling also ye ne ye mass kakra no your population ne o sample population ni men nyina na woti e man bi disinchen a now investigation ma a sample the ekoso wo Ghana ha nyina eniama MPP e de Ghana for FM tibia Ghana for wom no e na asen not for omu ayi e de a kire Ghana yeto aba no omahe na wo Ghana ha hu se Ghana ha obia ni age obia eni age because even MPP for anka somani age because tibia yes I'm telling you, MP4, let's MP4B. MP4B MP4B. Oh, me want me constituency. Minimum Kofua, I'm one constituency, MP4. They called me. Say, Honorable, my idea. No, for better 2024. Did they make any say, at a Ghana for us? Eda asen not for us. So with my side no edia man. 2. The person nyina yeti asen say MPP as a political party, they have a strategy to win elections. They are fast. Me already would do TV case in America. And that thing no, it worked in 2020. But asen not for actually say that thing cannot work again in 2024.
Their strategy.
Yes. I'm coming to tell the strategy. The strategy is on bema come account. On bema watchro.
So you have no choice than to fall on them.
That's it. Oko babuma Jacob and Esau. What happened? A committee Esau the yam a penny a Jacob. It's a strategy they are using now. But I say not for actually say it won't work again.
A como no como.
Yes, on Betwaban. So that on Betwabana mobia or Bebuawom. Inti the almost. And coming back to Parliament, MPP abai. The interest pa no mo wo Jachi question case ni. MPP abai. Ne AG. Attorney General, the interest pa. Inti any case bia wo Ghana ha. Say you Jachi question kokunipa. Kokunipa. Now ya to about 2020. Nipan Enwini. Ya sworn in a better member of parliament. Wo Ghana ha. You said you have a case against him. Even at the D-Day, said you year 2 speakership election. Mukofa letter free court by say court I say onye MP na de ade me ya God being so good papa etuaba ama NDC and a minority you boom ni majority nyina ye ura ba ben so me speaker ofi ho mu papa yakokota all this while to extend say afidie ye yi no kura fi parliament onye MPB fine. Let us say. You go by election. NDC you were regime say no one de ne beko makom candidate aba ya to aba ema onu ankasa win look at the percentage approximately 58% against 42%. By-election unprecedented because by-election be a time maybe by-election you close 2015 December you close and won by 2,600 difference fair ora question there 5,000 over difference. Look at the man kwachi chene no manyina. Okay, so it is clear say papa no Ghana for pen or Ghana for no kwatu aba. Then in the course of yebeto aba aka 1 week
for presidential election.
Remember in the course of yeto aba no a campaign no mo say a week to election no dey bia omra court. So what is happening? Dey bia papa dem ra court so they will nya kwan agba campaign. Ene nyame ya Adom. Dey go go baby. Ya to aba wi. We win the next day oba court. So the interest pa na MPP for omo wo wo jachi question. Any NDC, any minority, any parliament. So say nyama ya Adom na say swear in. Say the leader of the minority group in parliament. So one kasa say me kura pan kamedi no ho ya. Say anytime bia jachi question me court bia ye never so di nachi.
Ebribia.
Yes.
Se kobase oboko court.
Quarter, you be nachi. Even Endra. They schedule him for court. They schedule him for court.
And the nay she shared the whole.
So Adentra. Munim say communicate about parliament.
It's a reason previously and rather one corner. But it doesn't stop the processes are court to know and that's what a follow.
It's the mechanism. Me, I join hands with
the minority leader.
Honorable. Say Anajo, Ewio, Aomachio. Say Jachi question for quarter. Man, no, Tibitinachi.
Now, men for
yes, Tibitinachi.
So you are not there because of Ubi or court or Namum Rakwansua or no Okota that he said.
Parliament works with caucuses. Caucuses.
And on Ufima caucus in Bigu.
Parliament work with caucus. Then besides, they interest parliament before war. Yes, interest. They should tell me the reason.
But meaning the
and now much said about parliament. I'm going say your numbers in Soti. I am Gasam show. 137 na Ghana for the Mammon. You don't even deserve it in 2020 elections.
137.
Yes.
It's a common form cry.
Yes. Because there were certain seats on the trio na JJ. It's you in a JJ.
Even the way.
We also. Takwa.
Hey.
Yes.
Editu na JJ.
Yes. Badwam Mpensenpensemu.
Editu.
Yes. I don't think Ghana.
Ana mo JJ amusa.
Say Badwam Mpensenpensemu editu na.
Yes.
Adanse wo. Adanse wo.
Yes,
send
editu je.
What you say?
NDC we need like this editu
into there. Sorry, manje, fine, manje. But you scared. Sorry, you scared us. With what did you do? And I mean what? Somebody died. And I mean what?
Yeah.
Yes. Well, into the American say 137 no munyaya no. A year there. A juma mo year between 2017 to 2020. And I know that 137. And Timoma Yokama Yuma Ghana for and God being so wonderful. And this will go into the history of this country. Wouldn't say, apart from being 137, no, a member on by parliament, a year 107.
107.
Left and right.
Oh, really?
Yes. Am I 2020? You see, this is a special case in this country. God be so wonderful. Nowadays, one person between 137 so that person can decide for the country. So that person is a decider in this country when he works with caucuses. Okay? So I'm saying, say, Anajo Ewio, we are going to work with our elected MP.
So you are going to just check that responsibility of being a parliament. I will ensure say no my MPP for the firma. If you are must say in you know. What court and before passing on found. My man, no addition more amenfi. One which they say, Wadarma, Jina name na prayer, quine, never see cook be, you know. What you could be
Amano, 100%. You can attest the fact.
Of course.
Me Mapa Emma Amenfi.
By Kobasi the next 100 days, Nina, every day or Kokota, every day, we abandon the business.
Ghana for being a bra MP for.
So I don't know Ghana for who Namunia, the assembly of parliament, no person decided it.
I say, dear, we can't live in. What were your elections? Apart from free MPs, maybe no more form Nadia. Everybody was there. Any polling agent. Maybe a polling agent boy, Amiasu. Amiasu number 2.
Moving hono.
100%.
Moving the polling station 100%. Obi or two be out to mind this.
Maybe a more cost room.
That's it. Now when you're 87, your number more than 300. It's a massive win.
But I 100%.
87%. So no Cape Coast lecturer.
You are taking my word.
Cape Coast lecturers now. No Cape Coast lecturer, but trust system. No one will say Java body. What behind?
That's wonderful.
It's never be a Uber and then you eat. But baby, I'm ready to okay, so wrap up the love of
the American say solidarity.
Okay.
And I dema ora kwachi. Yachi question.
Okay. Obviously.
Thank you.
Oh my shebe pain. Sometimes mokwa dom kese na no. Ebu amutimi tutini say no maybe we koso amoni omonya adwene. They have 2 words that are key. The interest of your party, you know, in this Jechikwesian matter. And I feel solidarity as members of parliament on the side of Jechikwesi. Tomujini say it's a step in the right direction. It's not a big deal. So Ombeko akudio munyanechi. Now if most interest na bora draining so what do you say to all these matters that are unfold?
Oma binya kase. Okay, nyama bia mame mbobo basuka kra. Okay, say as not elections na ye. In his words, na sample, a indication of the Ghana for at this material moment. Me nimse unimemuna 2 months earlier I got to about kumewu. Na se me nimse kumewu so ye sampling sana.
Mo de say o de tutu ho.
Ena
obviously kumewu.
Ena oh me
an experienced politician.
O share what transfer.
Na me kwa kumewu. Me about you. Me kwa hafu. Na mako bobo wa hafwa se de besi abo agime no me ko pie wa manfi central or man
I'm drilling down what's your dynamics elections sukumewu in 2020 independent mu they could see nyina and the see by election and also indication we are coming we are getting united and we are showing the force and what's the show in our strongholds and that has an effect. Oh, say you come. Yes, you need baby I holding okay. Baby I holding you pian echo anima. We win elections. And they should put it and now they shouldn't forget. So this same seat moving the by elections. In 18 months it's up for elections again. In 18 months it is up for elections again. So they should enjoy it. And now message you call the echo sa by election. No. Yes, proper sexual behavior bill now. Nyame adom ene all konyomo second reading nyame adom need to be pass a year next time 2024 elections won't me enkoja ento anua engu nkrofo ni say MPP here say you be change MP na yetime pass law be etisa because at the time no amanfo e constituency no ebehu say the Parliament of Ghana and pass say law and now whatever legislation the parliament no edibewie no Ghana for nya bedi hwandase enti ontimi enkotsena sa constituency bia ento anua engu amanfo eni say na yepese ye okroma onu ankase ni mu say de o kana enkuntumpo sa enomkoye wase no na omunya sa opportunity bi ye koso no this was parliament MPs no can say any day bia jachi NDC MPs I should say can say that get question be court no mo kopal de me hu kakra me hu because me fi say ye nyina ayo ye Ghana no ye subscribe to your constitution ye subscribe to the rule of law ena mrana ni no ye nyina ye pe so ye MP so ye minister so ye kwani so ye teacheni mrana ni ye nyina ye pe na say emrano fa na kwan a wo pese wo jump start and say wo gina mranum kwan mu say ma no ko like hwe ensema me ko by election ni ye chi question onya na kwanya wo court efi high court asem no start ya what jurisdiction a obetie electoral issues no ya ko supreme court ansa na ye bo asa ye nyino fi parliament onya kwanya court yi na no Emma process no koya ko see Emma Supreme Court no take decision Emma Parliament directive say ora wait time ana all contest no qualify enti munye no frame rahye bedwam ni enkoto by election eno ti ne call by election na say afi other aspect of the case no di mo a mo say mo koku apai eno say any there wa is he not subject to the laws of Ghana? He is ena onya mrashe begenia odi kan a wait ye all go through this process amafo bi go through that process
decided say omo akro omo kasa omo kan omo say era to forcing all court ye who say omo di na chia na they've cited era calling that all court ye who say omo di na chia na
edimu
so they are telling you that
the difference no man the difference no say this is electoral related elections related. It is different from the proceedings now at forcing any opinion Collins that they are going through. And no so another a brand now the most second court. Now in this for almost to attend. Almost boycott proceedings in parliament. Say member of parliament and I go criminal proceedings into your parliament. Not more. So what is different this time? Now almost can say and now would see the Enra metie former attorney general Marita Brew metete nkrofobia akasa akasa efa asemi na o eden no moka say papa na go through criminal proceedings no adan esan say oye MP nti yentwensan ana say yenya proceed entwaye before me part entwaye because media megina bia no say yenyina we are equal under the law. Ain't say bibia to chim na ye no kogina court also go through the proceedings and he has subscribed to that before Supreme Court ebe boambia ko a by election he has subscribed to that or peneye go through the process and see what is and then assasa na so ochine bi my won say court e boa asembia and also cry ayemra on its own. Ain't because say court na nkasa ebe another ruling na contrary to the current the current situation no the status quo remains. And no say na court ka say we bone a kosi say court na nkasa be ka say enye bone. So the AC na no it's saying
do you subscribe to the school of thought I say? Well, looking at how Nemesi Kono, you say, your attorney general, no, or to me, say, or say, or some many interest to be major muna, Yankoy Adom matters, said, yeah, a bit more shots, yeah, a share one opinion on that. Lawyer Aikwe to Ira Doma Mahine or Sergeant for Ajiman Bedu. And enipa one go so one kasa if do you subscribe to that call that let's forget about this.
I don't to the extent is almost say age no e wo to me so obetimi aka say send asem koi bia omokron be dia dance ama me kra no omotwitwa amanase entimi eno adan no munya say to me no my age no adan ti no munya say to me no ema age no ema no ba out nka say send asem no ono wo to me o sabe enye menua penyin be papa I go to no was to me at this particular time he has been an attorney general before enye Marita Brew sabe enye omahene eno wo say to me adan ti ne enya say to me no ema age no ma on the side say asemi say ne ekoi Omo can nolly prosecute business and like send the aircon. Yes, me yasa. So suggestion no more man. Say judge. Obi on also a judge. Asemi airco court. Now before asem no be do court no. What jina bedwem? What jina bedwem? No what share opinion. Senya officer what say ye twaso. Me dey ntwa ye mame. Me dey ntwa ye mame. Ye nya sa to me no ma attorney general on no what to me no under our constitution. Na eye ni to me so beka say asemi dey airco no. Ye nya ma no nya a precedence. President be now say the be ochine bi obi be yes sir ya ka say that question cry yes sir no criminal ye twa so enti so me yes sir adenti na obe
but ye kwanim asoman, do you still have the belief that we should hold on to this portion of our laws na eka said dual citizenship no you need that renunciation before answer what you think that
already there's a bill there's a bill being prepared I'm not too sure maybe a bill need to say what parliament and as I say a new parliament rectify say nyamai but until say the status quo remains it obi bia ene why bibia ene status quo no eto chimbia no e wo say onya his day in court and that's what I subscribe for yanko court no more the court no be buan yin nyina be dis
oh for
one verse minu say honorable otia say the reason I make us say I say not election a sampling e kokoye no and say I say not seat a dangle a MPP NDC seat unlike Kumawu de perpetually eyomudia Inti wo pe two no wo pe dia ye sample pa ayuhwima eyeho mama saris kakra 2012-2016 na honorable Amber no ye NDC 2016-2020 Darura is it Darura what Abna Darura yes honorable Brand Darura MPP 2020-2024 ura dachukwesi so sit na yesi na kosi esi na kosi enti ope real statistics are pa there and you get good results pa there that is the seat as to
me can do
me hear about us kakra campaign akoye no campaign na akoye wo asen not enye LGBTQI+ na
oh, me my videos.
Oh, fine.
So I'm gonna create for them. Me my videos
in
Diana. But
and the
message. No,
a major.
But we spoke a lot about the economy.
Don't go and single out Neo Dubiase young MP no.
What you
say? Don't single it out.
Say reality.
Of course, but
Coco is real.
Of course.
What video no? Coco.
No, I was there.
Who's the part of the TV so? And throw no try work cremo.
Well, about 70% of them are cocoa farmers. And we share near my echoes of Memphis West Side, the same thing as the echoes war. So we use a lot of things as campaign messages during the election. I'm happy. Say honorable to force in our case our court. Honorable consider our case our court. What we say? Yeah, sorry say. Opuni. Yeah, sorry say. Yeah, kwakudi.
It was different this time.
So the interest na mo
interest in it.
And also as Packer yen. To also have interest in this matter.
Interest.
Second, the case now can answer. And it's different from this altogether.
Oh.
Because a case no court, so I don't want to, say anything now. Oh, a different from there can. It's for you can Google. Now you're quite a dibua second before. Now you're quite a person dibua jachi. Now ubisa question basis here. Say enti omufa eni di mfama na no mana. Onfa eni di mfama mpanyfo bi omo eman mana. Eno ase north. Nananom nyina. The paramount chief. Fi breku. Oma fense ohima oma hene ntumi ama. Ohima ne ba obekasa ma oma hene. O say Omu for money to Nana no manim. Na sake omuma papa na nye n'adwuma. Because omatina ohwache man na problem ache ewo Asen North constituency. So 1.5 years ake omu papa na somdwe into ono so muntia na. Ana ono so wanka say ya na.
The mechanism.
And the mechanism Ura Ajimambedu. Nana Omahene Ajimambedu. Program no question. Let's this for program. Oh, I get this program. Mama church room. You don't know. Wouldn't
say me one.
And you want
exclamation.
A on my program. Sabio Urata Mouse, obey president of this country. Moment I be elected as a president. You are for the whole nation. In the Basoka Chef say Independence Day. And ebia on my penny say Kufuado. Or your program be. That's what two suffering Krofua. But a year NPP program now. A year on my program. Unless say ebia ebia my national chairman and an MPP.
Okay.
Oh, mammy, by
okay, now for Afo. The entire Mpensi Ebeko back and forth with a national event. The late Professor Mills.
Exactly.
Obeda Ghana and is organized not by a political party or group of people. It doesn't make it national. Inti hodie a man fan kokra. Ye engine to say the bias is still tilted towards your political party, the NDC. There's no qualms about that. You can make your point.
NDC,
say Ghana necessarily. Oh, Debbie, you don't need to even wait. Say, don't forget. Ofri mumu and obey Mampenyi.
Okay.
Say Ghana the person celebrating after New World. Ghana will not take this form. It's different. But mujidie edasu woni mu. They said the June 4. Ye nyina de ho akɔhye akire na NDC G to omo abeti to say ye. There's absolutely nothing wrong with whatever has transpired there, even if it was the NDC, which it is. And
you see, so the American say Nana Ajimambedu. Don't mind
the content of the
ono na ye or ye House of Chiefs, Regional House of Chiefs. Bono. President. So Okasa say oye Omahene. Okay. Okasa say.
But what's the problem with
that? Okasa say oye president.
What's the problem with
Regional House of Chiefs?
No, mense. Okasa say asa na okano. Oh no, if say contrary to what I'm making the point in me.
And you say
as a representative of the House of Chiefs.
Exactly. Bono. Yes. No, so sorry.
Is it not an opinion?
Ghana for Akasa.
Oh, he's entitled to it.
Ghana for Akasa. And on your count, no, say age. Oh, a quine so big my side, which he has done a lot of things about that. I never be brave about.
Me interested.
Come, interested. What you say? Into one ways of fan count. It's a national issue. And no come and then one way. But that's my point. And now we can say we're to one or my anymore. President of a Regional House of Chiefs. So please, I beg you. Let us.
So what is your case?
Wow.
You are going to express an opinion.
But that's so what your opinion. Now opinion here I express is sabe. Obi kasa a man no ye nyina ye equal before the Lord.
Yeah.
But they won't need this one. Me ko fi penny for.
I for chinye.
Aha, e bi di biechi. So ho. Enti obi kasa ya na wait wo. So obi so kasa e betimi afa no sa. Na sabe de nana kan no. Ye na sopam.
Okay.
Why show the opinion,
okay,
which is entitled to. Yes, so say name phone be so be yi. But me so me opinion.
Of course.
Me so me opinion no say.
Yeah.
Ye nyae equal before the law. So be atumra ye ma court no and decide.
Nana see if you look at
one but nana no they are different. E won nana de no. Nana nya nana kwa. Nana Edson judge. Ewo high court enti eba no mrana nana ewo nimde ewo branum enti de nana beka no na eno na me pa aka no utwi no dia ewo nso aso ne nso aso no say electoral issues no start to high court judge no court na sa asem no so ebia no na na ase ebia na senior SM na express opinion ewo Badwam judge no yesen eko express contra to it eno no nyina no yenhwe enti na age say comment na ye ewo abonten about case ewo court no yenhwe ne atwa so ne ma court no enhwe say Ghana ni bia ewo Ghana mra na se enti se oto mra na ewo se mra no eni wudi se ne etie no ewo se eye ne sa se ene ye ka se bibenti de owura ye chikwesen ye no ye mfa no enko court ema court no emwa ochina obi ya eba na sen enyina so ben ene ebewo ene no say ni pakọ no ebe court so asem medium asem no enti de meka pamro patano court say ebesi ha no court na edi asem no sa civil bit of it yami adom ye wie yakọ elections wasan yi but the criminal bit of it no let's allow the course to take its course.
Okay, so some few commentaries. We now make a few wrap up. Or say be a champion. Say, has there been a public debate on whether an unemployed or hungry young man who stole a sack of yams should be prosecuted and jailed? Or no, so nehawa or de banno. Mama G Wakaswa say, Domahini should bow down his head in shame for wearing political lens to manipulate the law. No one is above the law. Ignorance of the law is not an excuse. But the mind is unimo. Unim say, and our daruma a mamaji unimpa intimiso is an opinion that has been expressed. Or contrary, this Ebenezer was told that way. Alaji Hamza say, good morning, my brother. Hope all is well with you and the family. I wish you well, my brother. You remember Aisha case? This is a person who destroyed our water bodies and our forests. And when she was arrested and arraigned for court, we were told by the senior minister that government was not interested in the case because we needed money from China. Aisha was left to go scot-free. The Attorney General discontinued the case. What about that? So that's Alaji Hamza's issue. We'll wrap up. 1 second. Maintained. Stamped.
Oh, nyame amadum.
2024.
Oh, nyame amadum.
So you be amongst the few privileged people on which our parliament, or local parliament.
Mahon Brazil.
Mahon Brazil.
Mahon Brazil. And I do my million.
Me Judy.
Oh, I told you no.
So wrap up. Can you check Kaikwe for it now? For wrap up.
Oh, Okakwe no for no pay me chia. Me say yes, start the program enya ho. And chia mo na nyame adoma. Next week. MPP ede yenhye no ebego so bebie nominations mosomfo moba munua madam fufuseni nyame adoma ejuma na ano yetimi eyeye no yentimi mpianko enim efi 2021 no makwenya asan abeto ho enti yebekwa kofa form ebesi akan no na mbogidie pa se esam ejuma me yeye between 2017 ebesi 2020 no enti no mo beto ameso mo be memisa akwanya no bio na metimi akopre na senior start akwan senior J education hu senior G ayaresa be senior na menemo ete ewo akwetema ewo ni boy town ewo anahoma ewo abofu ewo anumble no ebetimi atoaso akoso na kakwe no afa ntimapa efrebio medamasa.
Okay, so they said
between August and December.
Yeah, often. Yeah. Okay. All right.
I wish you were.
Thank you.
So that's it. Obviously, that's it. Okay. I'm sure that you having a
Friday.
Yes.
The minister to be answer question now.
I'll follow that
exactly. So that
I'll follow that conversation.
You know what.
So also I'll just share now TV. So maybe that was it. If the boy Udimupa, a major stakeholder. The entire team, sound, camera, set designers, makeup, drivers, somebody by control, and the production team led by Sarah Opare, ably assisted by Dominic Isiabwa, Telma, Dachene, Akwasinsia, Medoman Hene Kwabna Santi. onyame de kyɛ a ɛkyena yɛbɛsɛ hyia bye bye